Imagine this. You're driving home, nothing unusual. Then suddenly, flashing lights appear behind you. Your heart starts racing. You pull over, and a police officer walks toward your window. Now here's the scary part. Most people accidentally give up their rights in the first 30 seconds of a police stop. Not because they're guilty, but because they simply don't know the rules. Today, I'm going to show you the rights police rarely explain and the mistakes that can legally be used against you. Stay until the end, because right number 7 could literally save you from arrest. Part 1. Why police stops feel intimidating. Police stops are designed to control situations quickly. Officers are trained to observe behavior, ask strategic questions, look for inconsistencies. And here's something most people don't realize. Police are legally allowed to ask questions meant to make you talk, but you are not always required to answer. Knowing the difference between a request, a command, and a legal obligation changes everything. Part 2. Right number 1. You have the right to remain silent. The biggest mistake people make, trying to explain too much. You might hear questions like, "Where are you coming from? Do you know why I stopped you? Have you had anything to drink tonight?" These sound casual, but they are evidence-gathering questions. You have the right to say, "I choose to remain silent." This is not disrespectful. It is a constitutional protection in many legal systems worldwide. Remember, talking cannot help your legal situation, but it can hurt it. Part 3. Right number 2. You can ask if you're free to leave. Here's a powerful sentence most people never use. Am I being detained, or am I free to go? Why this matters? If you are not detained, you can legally leave. Police encounters fall into 2 categories: voluntary interaction and legal detention. If it's voluntary, you don't have to stay. This question forces clarity without confrontation. Part 4. Right number 3. You don't automatically consent to searches. Officer says, "Mind if I take a quick look inside your vehicle?" Sounds harmless, right? But here's the truth. If you say yes, you waive certain protections. You have the right to respond calmly. "I do not consent to any searches." Important. Stay polite. Never resist physically. Just state refusal clearly. If they have legal authority, they will search anyway, but your refusal protects your rights later in court. Part 5. Right number 5. You can record the police. In many countries, recording police in public is legal, as long as you don't interfere, don't obstruct duties. Recording protects both sides. Simply say, "I'm recording for my safety." Keep movements slow and visible. This often makes interactions calmer and more professional. Part 6. Right number 6. You don't have to answer investigative questions. Police may ask questions unrelated to the stop. Where do you work? Who owns the car? What are you doing in this area? These are investigative questions. You can respectfully respond, "I prefer not to answer questions." Silence is not guilt. It is legal caution. Part 7. Right number 7. You can speak for a lawyer. If questioning becomes serious, say clearly, "I want to speak with a lawyer." Once requested, officers generally must stop interrogation. Important rule: do not keep talking afterward. Many people accidentally waive this right by continuing conversation. Part 8. Staying calm is your strongest protection. Your behavior matters more than you think. Avoid sudden movements, arguing roadside, raising your voice, even if the officer is wrong. The roadside is not court. You win legal arguments later, not during the stop. Calm behavior reduces escalation instantly. Part 9. Common mistakes that hurt people legally. Mistake number 1, oversharing information. Mistake number 2, consenting to searches unknowingly. Mistake number 3, arguing law on the street. Mistake number 4, lying to police, often illegal itself. Mistake number 5, forgetting you can remain silent. Knowledge prevents panic. Final message. Police stops happen to millions of people every day. Most end safely, but understanding your rights changes your confidence and your outcome. Remember, be polite, be calm, know your rights, protect yourself legally, because the rights you don't use are the rights you often lose. Call to action. If you learned something new today, like the video, comment "Know Your Rights," subscribe. Stay safe, stay informed.